Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at this awesome Jayco White Hawk. It's a 27 RB unit. It's really nice. It's got a lot of nice upgraded features. It's got the bigger propane tanks. It's got the nice power tongue jack. Great storage in this unit. It's got a battery kill switch here. It's got a light, and if you take a shot in there, it's got a nice big pass-through. Magnetic holds, slam latch, which is awesome. Let's walk around to the other side. Here's the other side of the pass-through. Now this one does have two doors. A door in the bedroom rather. Nice big power awning, outdoor speakers, solid step entry. Now this one does have power stabilization jacks as well on each end. It's got a nice little outdoor barbecue. And this is nice because this isn't a bunkhouse unit, it's a rear bath unit. But you got your sink here, nice fridge, and you got a bottle opener and a cooktop grill. Really nice. And this is all metal, which is nice as well. Let's hop up this solid step entry and take a look inside. Now as you come in, we're going to head to the bathroom and work our way towards the front of the coach. Great big bathroom. Check out this bathroom. The one thing I would like to show you is this closet in here. Well, it's storage, but it's actually a really massive closet. If you like the lighter color woods, this is a great unit. We also have a nice big glass shower, a nice medicine cabinet in here with lots of storage, nice sink, and a lot of storage underneath as well. Let's take a look in here at the kitchen. Great kitchen. You got a cutting board, you got a dish rack. You've got this little guy here for your plugs that pulls up. So when you're not using it, you can stow it away. It's got USB and electrical plugs. Nice upgraded oven. A ton of storage everywhere in this unit. And they're deep cabinets, so you got a lot of storage. There's even more storage over here as well. Beautiful fridge, awesome little fireplace, TV entertainment center, nice big booth, and a couch. And then as you come into the bedroom here, this is what's really nice. Check out this. You got a built-in closet in here with drawers as well. So if you want some extra storage space, it's right here. This is the unit. Great bedroom. You do have opposing closets as well on each side. There is storage underneath the bed as well. Really a neat unit. Folks, if you're interested in this unit from Jayco or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me a call, Big Sal, 951-443-8323. Thanks.